Good morning. I'm in this wood in Belgium. Both of the power banks stopped working. I had a bad stomach yesterday evening. I didn't eat or I didn't cook, just ate some bread. Today is Sunday. Lidl, Aldi and all the other supermarkets are opening Tuesday morning again. I don't know why. There's some Belgium thing. Maybe they have 3 days weekend. And I'm heading up for the Ardennes mountains. I'm not really sure what I can find up there, but I was right with the sun. If you have a cycleway down there, I could go through the grass. I don't know. What's this? And how am I getting? I think over there is better. Or over there, or over there, or over there, over there, over there. I think over here. Really? Alright. Back on track. Man, should be exactly here. Road to the Intermarché, and I wonder if it's open. Yes. This is Mons. I mean, that has been growing for weeks. It will take forever, these 200 kilometers to Luxembourg like this. Wow. But the cycle road. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. It is a heavy rain and my legs are freezing. Yep, that's it. Oh, I don't see how deep it is. Something almost like southern Switzerland. Trying to dry things, but there's only a short period of sun. 650 meters left on this road. Freaking commute. A square. Do I want the coffee? Nah. Cobblestone. Sautour. Bonjour. Making good pace here. That's impressive. Look at this. Oh, a cycleway. Huh. That's the highlight of my trip, the Ardennes. I need to come back here. Okay, these are our heavy climbs. Revogne. GoPro soon out of battery. Beautiful sight though here in the Ardennes. We are back in Belgium again. Yes, I'm keeping going. We'll keep going a little bit more. It's nice, and tomorrow it's not.
Good morning. I'm here in the Ardennes, in a wood in Belgium, and I couldn't really continue filming yesterday evening because I was out of battery due to the problem with the charger. Now I'm eating breakfast.
I'm still, let's see, 120 kilometers away from Luxembourg, and nothing is really charging. I have 3 GoPro batteries charged, so that's not bad for you. But my phone is at 40% and the Garmin is at 40%, and it's not really charging, and I have a full day ahead. And it's a very windy day, but it's a very nice landscape. One minute ago I consulted the rain radar and it wasn't rain nearby. I knew it would rain today, but it wasn't announced for this early. So if there's any doubt where we are, blah blah blah. Okay, this is quite steep. These are hard climbs. Because I was thinking if every climb is like this one, but it's not. And look at these clouds. Space Center. What's this? It is. It doesn't charge, and that's, I mean, both of them. I have 2 power banks, I have 2 cables, and I have 2 GoPros at 100%, but no more Garmin, and a phone at 45%. And I'm going step by step in the right direction, I hope. Don't be mistaken by this little sunshine. This is hell. I wish I were in France. They have a coffee shop in every little village. Well, I don't know where I am exactly. I'm just going as long as my phone has some battery left. I can read later. Monument, le Monument Allemand, the German monument. All right. Oh, mother. They're good. Nice, huh? The next rain is far away. That's good. You know, when you're having a shitty day, then shit is gonna happen. And I can't stop. I have like 20% cell phone battery left. Do you see anything? Ah, man. Some a little bit good news is that I charged my phone in a bar a few percent, and I'm heading for a Ibis hotel 14 kilometers out. I don't know. I think we are in Luxembourg. How deep is this thing? What do you think? Oh man, lucky my shoes are already wet. What? A wooden bridge. Wow, this is wetland. It is. Super small room, but I'm inside at the dry. I'm lucky, and I'm going to eat now. Good morning. I'm an hour, 90 minutes away from Luxembourg in this Ibis budget hotel. That's a small room when you come with the bike. I had really trouble charging. This doesn't work. This one gave up, and the only one at 4 o'clock in the morning that started working is this one with 73% left. I charged my phone with that last minute. I booked a ticket to from Luxembourg to Basel, and the weather isn't fun. So I break off this adventure because this can't happen again. I really have to test that. This one is normally very dry inside, even if it rains, and the rest of it too was dry. What wasn't dry is this Deutel. Just left the hotel. We are heading for Luxembourg, and as a wonder is still working, that GoPro up there. As it's water inside, I really need to dry everything when I'm at home. Fun cycleway here. So we are in Luxembourg, I guess. We are in Straßen. That's fun. Look at this. Down there I was. Looks fantastic. I wish it was better weather and we had more time. This looks like Central Station to me.